Gelatin, a simple, tasteless powder sitting quietly on a shelf in your supermarket. And yet, it might be one of the most powerful and underestimated tools to rebuild your body from the inside out. Because if you take just 1 tablespoon a day for 30 days, you may start noticing changes that feel almost unbelievable. That knee pain, the one that makes you hesitate before going down the stairs, that shoulder that won't let you sleep, that stiffness in the morning that makes your body feel older than it should. It may begin to ease, slowly at first, then more noticeably. But that's just the beginning, because something else starts to happen. Your cravings begin to change. That constant need for sugar, that anxiety in the afternoon, starts to quiet down. And without forcing it, your body becomes more efficient at letting go of excess fat. But here's what almost no one tells you. This same simple habit may help repair your gut lining, support your liver, calm your nervous system, and help you sleep deeper without medication. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people get it wrong. And this mistake is the difference between helping your body or slowly damaging it every single day. If you go to the store and grab those bright, colorful gelatin boxes, like 0 sugar, fruit flavored, you are not improving your health. You are increasing inflammation, spiking your insulin, and in many cases, slowly stressing your liver. Without even realizing it. That is not therapy. That is interference. Because gelatin is not a dessert. It is one of the most complete and affordable sources of collagen-building amino acids your body can use. And when used correctly, it becomes a daily repair signal. Now, before I show you how to use it properly, you need to avoid the 4 mistakes that block almost all results. Common mistakes that ruin results. Mistake number 1. Choosing sugar-free gelatin. Most of these products contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame or acesulfame K. These compounds can disrupt your gut microbiome. And if your gut is compromised, your body cannot absorb what you're giving it. You're wasting the effort. Mistake number 2. Mixing it with dairy when your body is inflamed. If you're dealing with joint pain, digestive issues, or chronic inflammation, milk may make things worse. For healing purposes, your base should be water or plant-based milk. Mistake number 3. Forgetting vitamin C. This is one of the most important technical points. Your body cannot build collagen without vitamin C. It's like trying to build a wall with bricks, but no cement. Without it, much of that gelatin will pass through your system without being properly used. A simple squeeze of lemon changes everything. Mistake number 4. Expecting results in a few days. Cartilage does not regenerate overnight. Tendons do not rebuild in 3 days. This is not a quick fix. This is biological reconstruction. And reconstruction requires consistency. Now let's understand why this works in a way that actually makes sense. What's happening inside your body? Gelatin is rich in 2 key amino acids, glycine and proline. These are the exact building blocks your body uses to repair joints, tendons, ligaments, skin, and your intestinal lining. But here's the problem. Modern diets are severely deficient in glycine. We stopped eating skin, connective tissue, bone broths. We moved toward lean muscle meats only. And over time, that creates a structural deficit in the body. So your body is trying to repair itself without the materials it actually needs. That's when pain becomes chronic. That's when recovery slows down. That's when degeneration accelerates. When you take gelatin daily, you are not masking symptoms. You are supplying missing raw material. And glycine does something even more interesting. It helps regulate inflammation, supports liver detoxification through glutathione, and acts as a calming neurotransmitter in the brain. Meaning, it doesn't just repair tissue, It helps your body shift into a state of recovery. Benefits you can expect. 1. Joint and tendon repair. Less stiffness in the morning. Less discomfort with movement. Better mobility over time. 2. Appetite control and fat loss support. Gelatin supports satiety and helps regulate insulin. You feel full longer. You crave less sugar. And your body becomes more metabolically stable. 3. Gut repair. Your intestinal lining begins to strengthen. Less bloating. Less irritation. Better digestion. 4. Better sleep and nervous system balance. Glycine helps calm brain activity. Not like a sedative, but like lowering internal noise. You fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer. 5. Visible improvements. Stronger nails. Thicker hair. Firmer, more elastic skin. Now let's make this practical. Because if you don't use it correctly, none of this will happen. The correct protocol. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, about 10 grams. Half a glass of cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. This step is critical. It's called hydration or blooming. If you skip it, you reduce absorption significantly and may experience digestive discomfort. After that, add warm water, not boiling. Stir until fully dissolved. Add fresh lemon juice. Drink it. Morning supports metabolism, gut, appetite control. Night supports joints, recovery, and sleep. Consistency is everything. 2 powerful variations. For cravings and anxiety, prepare homemade gelatin gummies using tea, gelatin, and lemon. Keep them ready. When cravings hit, you replace sugar with something that actually supports your body. For pain and inflammation, at night, mix gelatin with warm almond or coconut milk. Turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. This combination supports inflammation control and tissue repair overnight. Important warnings. If you have kidney disease, consult your doctor first. This is protein, and your body needs to process it properly. Stay hydrated. Gelatin absorbs water, and insufficient hydration may lead to discomfort or constipation. And if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, this is not a suitable option, since gelatin is animal-derived. What to expect? Week 1. Better digestion. Deeper sleep. Weeks 2 to 3. Skin begins to improve. Cravings decrease. Weeks 4 to 6. Joint discomfort starts to reduce. Mobility improves. Most people stop too early, right before the real transformation begins. Don't make that mistake. Let me ask you something. What would change in your daily life? If you could move without pain? If your body felt lighter, more in control? And what if the solution wasn't expensive, but something simple, consistent, and accessible? Try it for 30 days. Stay consistent. Observe your body. Because sometimes, the simplest daily habits create the most powerful long-term changes. If this helped you understand your body in a deeper way, stay close. Because every week, we share practical strategies to help you move better, sleep deeper, and take control of how you age. And now I'm curious, would you try this in the morning first or at night?